Good morning. I look terrible. You can see the room is a mess. I've been downstairs, had breakfast and stuff, and I'm going to tidy this mess of a room. Chilling today, I want to do a little bit of work, tidy up. I'm going to do some more work later. My battery's flashing, brilliant. Have to put this on charge quickly. It kind of snowed last night. Can you see by the rooftops? I don't know how I feel about that. I don't like snow. It's a no from me.
Stuff and start setting up for the meetup tonight. And she freaking went last.
So I thought I'd just sit down and chat to you before I get going with what I'm doing, because don't think I'm going to film it, I'm just tidying. But I have showered, dried my hair, put some makeup on so I look a little bit more, you know, presentable than my woken up state. And I just have comfies on. I'm wearing some navy joggers and a big black sweatshirt because I've moisturised my body and put a little bit of this on, which is from Primark, and I only picked it up. I picked it up when I was in Southampton last year because it was like 40p reduced from £4, and it was their tanning water, and it was when all the tanning waters were, you know, coming out and like becoming a thing, and I just use it to keep myself not looking purple, if that makes sense, because when I'm so pale I'm purple, honestly it's really bad. But this, you know, gives me some sort of colour, so I've just put this on my legs and a little bit on my arms, and it's really easy to use. It's so thin, you don't feel it, doesn't mark any clothing or anything like that, but I just wanted to keep loose, baggier clothing on, so that's why I've done that. I'm not really, I think I said before that I'm not really doing that much today. I'm just tidying up the bedroom. I have so much washing to put away, it's disgusting. I don't know if you'll be able to see down here. I've got the basket here, and then these two bits, that's a whole IKEA blue bag full of washing. Yeah, it's not good. So that's going to take me a while to put it away, but I think a lot of it is Dom's kit, so fingers crossed it's not a lot of my clothes and I have room, because I feel like I don't have that much room. I need to do a Marie Kondo on my life and feel my clothes for joy and see if I could get rid of them. I'm not feeling like doing that today because I've got stuff to do, so I'm going to clean all of that up, put that away, go and make some lunch, go down and chill for a bit. I'm going to do some work on my laptop, I think, and then I'm driving back, like I said, because I've got to go to Topshop and Zara. I bought these leather trousers, I don't know, like a month ago or something like that. I've worn them once. I wore them when I went to a comedy night in Bristol with Dom, and we literally, I sat in the car, sat at the comedy night and went. It wasn't even a long night, and I went to put them on to wear again this week, and I don't know if you can see that. There is a giant hole in the back, and it's not even like where it would be tight, it's not on my bum or anything, it's where it's loosest at my waist, and it just looks like, I don't know, the stitching wasn't very tight, because I could like sew it back together, but I just feel like it's going to do it again. So I'm going to take these back to Zara, and I ordered a coat to Topshop, but I went in the meantime whilst I was waiting for it to arrive, and I saw another coat, and so I ordered that one, and that one arrived yesterday, and I'm going to wear that today, so I'll show you that before I leave. But I much prefer it, and it's much more me than the coat I've ordered, so I'm going to pick it up and just return it straight away, and then I'm going to chill at home for a bit, and I've got netball this evening. So yeah, it is a very homey day. Yeah, I'm just spending my day cleaning. Love that. And this is the end result. So nice. I've just got some stuff down here and here that I'm taking back today, but I'm gonna go make some lunch and just chill, because that is taking me longer than I thought. I also had a phone call from the plumber man, or I think he's a boiler specialist, to come around and fix the boiler. He used to order a part, so I spoke to him. I'm over it. This is like my meal prep for my lunch tomorrow for work. So I chopped some potatoes, some peppers, sprayed it with some fry light stuff, and then put some salt and this stuff on it, which I'm obsessed with. It's the garlic Italian seasoning by Schwartz. It's delicious. And so I put that and put it in the oven, and it tastes really, really good. And then I just cooked up a chicken breast. You can see that, and again put on that Schwartz stuff and some honey. And that is what I will eat for lunch tomorrow in Bristol. I always meal prep. I've made 2 of them. Not the chicken, I'm going to cook the chicken fresh in a couple of days, but I've got that cooked. So yeah, I'm just going to pop that one in the fridge, and that's my meal prep for lunches. So I don't have to eat out, don't have to spend money for one, don't have to eat out, and it probably not be that great for me because I don't know how it's been cooked. And at least I know what I'm putting in me then, and I can kind of keep track of it and save money. I'm about to head to Exeter to go to Topshop and Zara to return some stuff, but I thought I'd just show you my outfit and actually this new coat. So, outfit that I'm wearing today consists of some new buys, so I thought I'd share. This is an old grey sweatshirt from H&M. I love it. It's just a basic. These jeans, however, are new. They are, I believe they're vintage straight style, and they are from M&S. I got them in the sale for £9.99, reduced from £45. Bargain. My shoes are just my Nike Air Force Ones, and this coat, this beautiful new coat, I picked up from Topshop, and it is a blue navy sort of colour, and this was also in the sale. £49 I believe, but I got it for £44 because they had 20% off student discount if I ordered it from store, so that's what I did. So this is my outfit all together. I'm probably going to try and take a photo now for Instagram. Really lovely material, thick, big coat with lovely collar, and goes down quite far because I like my coats that are lower near my feet and don't sit at my knees, otherwise because I'm so short I look really stumpy. Fun fact. So yeah, I'm off to town now. I'm probably going to bring my little camera with me, so I'll film some stuff, not my big stuff, but yeah, and I will chat to you later. I don't know how interesting this vlog has been, but yeah, outfits and meal planning at the moment. Got a snack with me for the journey. I've got my trusty apple pear raw fruit bar from Aldi. If Kia's watching, she'll remember these from uni. Yeah, got a cup of tea, my Starbucks takeaway, and I'm gonna head on back. I have been listening to podcasts so much. I listen to podcasts literally every single day, and at the moment I'm really loving The Health Code by Sarah's Day and Kurt Tilse, and they are doing one with Steve Cook at the moment, all about fitness and bodybuilding, diet training, everything like that. So I'm currently listening to that. I'm halfway through, so I'm going to listen to the rest of that and head on back now. It'll probably take me about 30 minutes to get back, so not too bad. But yeah, I need to go. I'm back in Exeter now. I've been into town to return all the things I needed to do. Can I just say, Zara staff, I don't know what it is with Zara. I understand they hire Spanish staff. Is there a Spanish company? Fine, whatever. The shop assistants are so rude, like, so rude. I just went in for a return and they were fine with doing my return, but they were still really rude. It made me feel like I was wrong for returning something that was ripped. I don't know. I just find it so weird. They were really rude. Anyway, people in Topshop were lovely. Love that. Returned all my stuff. I forgot to take the camera in because I was just in a bit of a rush, to be honest. And now I'm back. I'm just watching Grace from Grace Fit on my iPad. And then I'm going to start getting ready in a second. I'm going to get changed for netball in a bit. Do that. I've got a little bit of planning I want to do, and I just want to write in my calendar to make sure I've got everything written down to do next week and for the rest of this week. Yeah, this day has been a boring one because it got taken up a lot of it by the boiler man who came around. He's pretty much ended up being them for probably about 3 hours fixing the boiler, so yes, it was a long old day. I am ready to brave the cold. Got my Northie on, got my leggings on. Let's go in the snow and play netball. The next morning, and it is about 7 AM and I'm just getting ready to go for work, so I'm just wearing this sweatshirt, some wide leg trousers and trainers, but underneath that I've got big socks, leggings, I've got a long sleeve thermal underneath here, I'm going to wear a beanie, a scarf, a coat, I think that's it, oh and gloves obviously. It is so cold. Last night I played netball in, I think it's probably 1 degrees if not minus. When I was driving back it went to -3. It was horrible. We stepped outside and the whole concrete area of the car park was iced. It wasn't nice. I was to Bristol this morning. I'm gonna keep checking the trains though because a lot were cancelled because of the weather warning, so I don't know, but yeah, let's try and get there. I have so many layers. So it is Thursday. I've just come home from work early. I'm gonna shoot on back to Exeter and carry on working from there because there's a snow warning for where I am and all my trains were going to be cancelled. They were already delayed, so I've come on back and yeah, I'm going to shoot back down to Exeter in the car because I need to be there tomorrow and I'm never going to get there in the morning, so that's what I'm going to do. Crazy, I don't know, snow just puts everyone on edge, in a bit of a panic, and I didn't fancy waiting at the station for God knows how long, for probably a coach back, so yeah, I'm going to shoot down ASAP. But here's my outfit. I don't know if I showed this. I'm wearing that grey sweatshirt that I wore yesterday with the jeans, some black wide leg trousers with my leggings underneath for warmth if my trousers go back down. Wow. Like Air Force, my Topshop coat and my beanie, which is from H&M and looks like the Slee one, so yes. See you, I don't know when. I need to edit this vlog and see if I should finish it.